Good morning, student. Today we are going to start the all name reaction of organic chemistry 12th standard. This reaction is very important to all of us for the conversion reaction to do many type of reactions from the chapters, and this reaction also increase the confidence level of the students for completing the organic chemistry. So firstly, we will start the Sandmeyer reaction. In Sandmeyer reaction, there are two reactions are involved. The first reaction is the formation of diazonium salt. The reaction is known as diazotization. So firstly, diazotization reaction. Diazotization. In this reaction, the formation of diazonium salt. In this reaction, aniline react with sodium nitrite and mineral acid. Sodium nitrite and mineral acid, HX. At the temperature is low, 273 to 278 Kelvin. The diazonium salt is formed. Diazonium salt is formed. Diazonium salt is formed. Again, the freshly prepared diazonium salt react with cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, or cuprous cyanide to give a chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, or the cyanobenzene. The reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Here, the freshly prepared diazonium salt, freshly prepared diazonium salt react with CuCl to give chlorobenzene or to give bromobenzene. Chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. The iodobenzene is prepared directly to replace the potassium iodide with diazonium salt. They do not need cuprous iodide. See, for the preparation of iodobenzene, here the diazonium salt reflects with potassium iodide and it will directly convert into iodobenzene. Once again, Sandmeyer reaction is involved the two reactions. The firstly, the diazotization, the formation of diazonium salt. In this reaction, the aniline react with sodium nitrite and mineral acid at the low temperature 273 to 78 Kelvin. It will convert into diazonium salt. The freshly prepared diazonium salt react with cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide to give chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. The reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. For the preparation of cyanobenzene, Here cyanobenzene is also prepared by this method. Benzene nitrile or cyanobenzene. Here N2Cl, CuCN, KCN. Here the cyanobenzene is obtained. Cyanobenzene is obtained. So here the Sandmeyer reaction. Next reaction is Gottermann's reaction. In Gottermann reaction, just like Sandmeyer reaction, in Gottermann reaction, the diazonium salt react with again convert into chlorobenzene. The Gottermann reaction and Sandmeyer reaction both are almost same. There are some basic difference here. Cuprous chloride react with hydrochloric acid and convert into chlorobenzene. Again, the Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is also known as ion exchange method. Also known as ion exchange method. In this reaction, the iodobenzene is obtained. Iodoalkane is obtained. In this reaction, the chloroalkane or the bromoalkane react with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. It will convert in iodoalkane. Here the Rx, where X represent chloro or bromo. React with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. It will convert in alkyl iodide. Convert in alkyl iodide. This is only reaction which is directly prepared iodoalkane. For example, iodopropane is prepared by the chloropropane. CS3 CS2 Cl react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. It will convert in CS3 CS2 I plus NaCl. Here it is noticed that what is the role of dry acetone in this reaction. This is an important question from this reaction. What is the role of dry acetone in this reaction? Dry acetone precipitates the byproducts like sodium chloride and sodium bromide to break the reversibility of the reaction. So the dry acetone is necessary to prepare this reaction. Next reaction is Bose reaction. Next reaction is Bose reaction. In Bose reaction, this reaction is used to increase the carbon chain. In this reaction, the twice same haloalkane react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Here both the alkyl halides are same. In presence of dry ether. Here both alkyl halides are same, and the higher alkane is obtained. It is noticed that the both alkyl group are same, both haloalkane are same. If both haloalkane are different, the mixture of alkane is obtained, and it is not easy to separate all of them. So we will take the similar haloalkane, only higher alkane is obtained. For example, CS3Br plus sodium metal BrCS3. Dry ether. Here obtained CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2 NaBr. Similarly, bromo iodoethane react with sodium metal butane is obtained. Butane. Ethane is obtained. Next reaction is Boots-Fittig reaction. This reaction is used to prepare alkyl benzene. In this reaction, the haloalkane and haloarine react with in presence of sodium metal to give alkyl benzene. Here dry ether. Here the alkyl benzene is obtained. Alkyl benzene is obtained. For example, here we will take alkyl benzene is obtained. Example of this reaction, here we will take chlorobenzene, sodium metal and chloromethane. Dry ether. The toluene is obtained. That's Boots-Fittig reaction. Next, Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. In this reaction, the diphenyl is obtained. In this reaction, haloarine, two molecules of haloarine react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ethyl, then the diphenyl is obtained. Here, chlorobenzene, there are two molecules. In presence of dry ether, the diphenyl is obtained. Diphenyl is obtained. So here there are three reactions which is just same. Boots reaction, Boots-Fittig reaction, and Fittig reaction. In Boots reaction, the higher alkane is obtained. In Boots reaction, the higher alkane is obtained. In Boots-Fittig reaction, the alkyl benzene is obtained, while in Fittig reaction, the diphenyl is obtained. Here, another reaction is Schwarz reaction. This reaction is used to prepare the alkyl fluoride only. It is also a type of ion exchange method. In this reaction, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide react with metallic fluoride such as silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, antimony fluoride, etc. to convert them into alkyl fluoride. Like this, haloalkane. X represents chloro and bromo. AgF. Silver fluoride gives a metallic, gives alkyl fluoride AgX. The Schwarz reaction is the only reaction which is used to the formation of alkyl fluoride. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is in this reaction, the alkyl or the acyl group are enter in the benzene ring in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride catalyst. If the alkyl group is enter in benzene ring, then the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Or if the acyl group like methyl ketone group are enter in benzene ring, the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. For example, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation. Here, react with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Chloro the 2-chloro methyl benzene and the 4-chloromethylbenzene is obtained. This is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation because the alkyl group are enter in benzene ring. Next, acylation. Acylation. Here, react with ethanoyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 and hydrous gives two chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. So the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. If the methyl ketone group, this group is known as methyl ketone or acyl group, is entering benzene ring, the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Or if the alkyl group are enter in benzene ring, the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Thank you. Next name reaction in next video.